In a dimly lit antique shop, there sat a dusty old wooden chair with a chilling sign that read, "Do not sit." One daring customer ignored the ominous warning, brushing it off as mere superstition. But as soon as they settled into the chair, an icy shiver ran down their spine, and their surroundings began to blur. The shopkeeper's face turned pale with terror as they frantically urged the customer to stand up, but it was too late. The customer was paralyzed, unable to move a muscle, their eyes wide with fear. In a hushed tone, the shopkeeper muttered, "Everyone who sits never stands again." The light suddenly flickered, plunging the room into darkness. A gasp escaped the customer's lips, followed by an eerie silence that filled the air. And just like that, the chair was once again empty, patiently waiting for its next unsuspecting victim.